Welcome to Our Sweet Home Life. I came out here in the sunroom and look what I see. Well, let me get back so we can see the whole thing. What this is a fountain. And Mojo stuck a plant up there on top, and this plant over here was his mother's.
You see all this stuff here? If you'll look closely, you look, right there it is. That, what you see there is pantyhose. My mother, she tied all that up, and that's exactly how she left the plant. And she's been passed now since 2001.
So we have that plant, and this plant here we bought a number of years ago, and it is a begonia. And it had been doing really well.
Good, guys.
Yeah. It was beautiful, and Kittie got a hold of it. And so I came out here one day last week, and it was looking kind of puny, and I noticed the giraffe was there.
He said, now he's eating off
and the zebra's there.
Yeah.
And I thought, is Mojo trying to decorate? That looks kind of odd. I thought, well, maybe he's pretending that's a jungle. But this morning, what did you tell me the reason you did that?
I was trying to make that kitty proof. Well, she couldn't get up in there. Evidently, she was getting in the top of it, making a nest.
But I thought that was really funny and thought you
Look at that.
may get a good laugh at it.
Nibbled on those leaves. See that?
So Kittie's destroying that plant.
Show them this plant over
I wanted to introduce you to another plant that we have. I do not know what this plant, the name of it. Well, this plant is about 43 years old. We got it when our son was about 18 months old for a housewarming gift to Mark's sister. And this plant right here is fairly old as well. It's probably 7 or 8 years old.
Yeah.
When Mojo had a surgery, we acquired this plant.
I had restructured my colon here, so what, how many years?
About 8 years ago.
Yeah, it's been about 10 years, 9 years ago.
And then this plant here, we purchased this beginning of the summer. And look who I have spotted over here. Oh, look at that mouth. You want to tell everybody good morning?
And I brought her some freshly picked catnip. You know, Glenda put out some catnip for Kittie. They're supposed to love that catnip.
She plays with it a little bit, pushes it around the floor. But just wanted to show you this morning and tell you hello. And Kittie wanted to say hello too. Thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh, my.
Look who I see this morning. You want to say good morning? It's a beautiful day the Lord's made for us, Kittie. You ready to get up and rise and shine? You ready? You ready to rise and shine this morning? Don't look like it, does it?